Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic that sounds almost too good to be true. A headline from the future. Imagine chemotherapy drug so powerful it is 20,000 times stronger than the conventional treatment. Now imagine that the same drug comes with virtually none of the devastating side effects we typically associate with chemotherapy. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, today it's becoming science fact. For decades, chemotherapy has been a cornerstone of the cancer treatment and it saves life. But let's be honest, it's a brutal fight. Traditional chemotherapy works by flooding the body with powerful chemical designed to kill rapidly dividing cells. The problem? The cancer cells divide rapidly, but so do many healthy cells in our body, like hair or follicles, cells lining our guts, and crucial immune cells. This indiscriminate attack is why the chemo patient experience such severe side effects like hair loss, relentless nausea, extreme fatigue, a compromised immune system, and often agonizing pain. These side effects aren't just uncomfortable, they can be life threatening too, often forcing doctors to reduce dosages or even halt treatment, giving the cancer a chance to regain its foothold. The challenges have been, and how do we kill the cancer without destroying the patient? This is where the magic of nanotechnology steps in. Nanotechnology is the science of manipulating matter on an atomic and molecular scale, and we are talking about structures so tiny they are measured in nanometers. For context, a human hair is about 80,000 to 100,000 nanometers wide. We are operating at a scale thousands of times smaller than this. Researchers are now designing incredibly sophisticated nanoparticles. Think of them as a microscopic intelligent delivery vehicles or even nanobots. Their mission is to carry powerful cancer drugs directly to where they are needed most and nowhere else. This isn't just about making things smaller, it's about making them smarter. So, how do these nanobots achieve such an incredible precision? It boils down to clever engineering and exploiting the unique characteristic of the tumors. Firstly, many nanoparticles are designed with stealth coating that allows them to circulate in the bloodstream without being immediately detected and destroyed by the body's immune system. This gives them the time to reach their target. Secondly, and crucially, tumor often have leaky blood vessels and an impaired lymphatic drainage system. This phenomenon, known as the enhanced permeability and retention or EPR effect, means that the nanoparticles can easily slip out of the bloodstream and accumulate within the tumor tissue, while the healthy tissue with intact blood vessels largely exclude them. But it gets even smarter. Many nanoparticles are often surface modified with specific targeted ligands, and that molecule that acts like the key here, designed to bind only to specific, which is known as lock, or receptors that are overexpressed on the surface of the cancer cell. It's like having a postal worker who only delivered mail to houses with very specific unique mailbox. Once attached, the nanoparticles can then release its potent drug payload directly inside the cancer cell. This precise targeting is the secret behind the 20,000 times stronger claim. Think about it. When a traditional chemo drug is administered, it's diluted across the entire body. Only a tiny fraction of it ever reaches the tumor, and even less gets inside the cancer cell effectively. The rest causes collateral damage. With nanotech delivery, the entire dose of the drug is concentrated exactly where it is needed inside the tumor cells. This means that at the cellular level, the local concentration of the drug within the tumor can be thousands of times higher than what's achievable with untargeted therapy. Researchers found that this precise localized delivery made a common chemotherapy drug 20,000 times more potent against a cancer cell simply by ensuring that it only hits its target. This isn't about creating a new, more toxic drug, it's about optimizing the delivery of the existing drug to unleash their full, undiluted power directly on the enemy, while almost completely sparing the healthy cells. This is how they avoid the severe side effects. While this breakthrough focus on the traditional chemotherapy, the implications of this nanotech approach extend far beyond. This targeted delivery platform could revolutionize how we administer many different types of medicine. Of course, like any groundbreaking technology, there are challenges to overcome before this becomes a routine part of clinical practice. We are currently seeing many such nanomedicines in various stages of clinical trials, and this particular study is significant step moving us closer to widespread adoption. But patient and the continued scientific endeavors are the key here. So, what does this mean for the future of cancer patient? It means hope. Hope for future where a cancer diagnosis, while still devastating, isn't immediately followed up by the terrifying prospects of enduring months of deliberate side effects. Imagine undergoing treatment and being able to maintain a relatively normal quality of life, continuing to work, spending time with family, feeling well enough to fight. This isn't just about prolonged life, it's about preserving the quality of that life throughout the treatment journey. It represents a potential eradication of the worst aspect of the cancer therapy, transforming it from a systemic assault into a surgical strike. The study reporting on this 20,000 stronger nanotech super chemo drug isn't just the fascinating piece of research, it's a beacon of innovation that signals a new era in medicine, an era where intelligence and precision and minimizing harms are at the forefront of our fight against the disease like cancer. The future of medicine is small, smart, and incredibly powerful. We are on the cusp of something truly transformative. So, friends, what are your thoughts on this revolutionary technology? Do you know anyone who might benefit from this advancements? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and do not forget to subscribe for more deep dive into exciting worlds of science and technology. Thank you for joining me live. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again the next one.